The other thing that you can do is you can actually build out email leads to SAM. So this is a really cool one that you put in place a little bit ago. Mark, if you want to dive into this one for them.
So many times you have websites that are collecting information, realtor.com, Zillow, lots of different places. And they typically, whenever a lead comes in, they will email you that lead, or at least the details about that lead. What you can do is add a email to this list, and these are just some sample ones, but so maybe you have one for your website. Whenever somebody fills out a form on your website, you can assign this email address to one of the receiver of that lead whenever it is filled out. Maybe from a Google form for an open house registration, maybe from realtor.com. You set these up as email addresses. Now, what happens is if an email is sent to this address, in this case, it was for my website, it can look at the contents, the body of that email, that lead that's coming in, and it can use AI to grab that lead information and add it to the database for you automatically. No matter what kind of format it's in, it'll try to grab the details of that lead. It is important for you to try to, have a halfway decent labeling process of that email. So, first name, and then the first name of the person, last name of the person. So there's some indication of what the field actually is, but we use AI to read that email whenever it comes into this email address. It then can assign certain fields, the category, the type, the status, the milestone, the source. It can add tags to it. And then each email that gets sent to it adds another contact to your database. And then at that point, you've got an entry date, you've got some other dates that could be being filled in, and based off of those dates getting filled in, your routines kick off, and they do some of the automations and stuff. But this is just a way where you can set up multiple email addresses. They're just kind of weird names on them. They will be able to accept the lead, parse it, make sure it's clean, and then put it into the database for you.